Hi, my name is Alex Kwam. I'm 21 years of age, currently living in the Centre Point hostel in Bruce House, Covent Garden. I'm also a Centre Point Parliament member, and what we do in the Parliament is represent the views of other young people. I'm here to explain to you what your generosity and your sponsorship means to young people and how it has a positive impact on their lives. By now, I hope that you know that the room is just the beginning. The support that I receive goes way beyond a place to stay. That isn't a friend's sofa, a street corner, or a bus stop shelter. Through your generous contribution, Centre Point has been able to provide me with a room of my own. The hostel is designed for Centre Point young people like myself to be nice and comfortable and as safe as possible. Now let's take a look inside. We're currently in the kitchen. What this kitchen allows us to do is cook our own food, and it gives us the responsibility of having this shared space and really looking after it. On weekdays, we have a weekly healthy living workshop that happens here, where we have individuals who come in and teach us and give us the skills and knowledge to be able to cook various dishes from different parts of the world. So again, it allows us to develop in that sense. What it also allows us to do is budget our priorities, knowing exactly how much things cost and where to get them from, and really how to budget ourselves. Another thing it does is allows us to eat healthily, because in the past, I haven't eaten healthily, but through the different workshops that I've done, it's really opened my eyes to eating new sort of vegetables and things which I wasn't familiar with before. So it's really important to young people in this place. Where we are now is one of the bedrooms. As you can see, it's quite simple, but what this room does, it teaches us to look after our own space, which I think is very important. For me, it's also a safe haven where I can come in and have the privacy of my space. I think it's so important, especially because it makes me feel a lot safe and secure when I'm in this environment. That's why my room is important to me. The common room, where I'm standing right now, is very much an important shared space. It allows the young people to come in and chill out, watch some TV and discuss issues amongst each other. It's also a place where young people can meet support workers and interact with each other. So this space is very important because, as I say, it allows the young person to just really come together and unite and really do something positive for themselves. So this is a great idea that Centre Point has got going on here. This is a clothes bank which has been donated by high street brands and shops, and basically what it's used for is the young people can access this at any time. If they've got interviews or college appointments and they haven't got anything to wear, then they're more than welcome to come in here, and Centre Point will provide them with some clothing. This is one of the most important rooms in the whole building. This room here is known as the learning room, and it's so critical to the development of the young person in allowing them to be independent. What this room provides is a haven where the young people like myself can come in and use the various facilities, such as the computer facilities, which allows us to access the internet and go online to various job sites, etc. We also have books which are made available to us, and again those books are very useful in terms of applying for jobs and keeping up to date with current affairs. I mean, there's so many things in place here to help the young person, especially the computing facilities, which allow us to do things such as CV writing and PowerPoint presentation and Word art, etc. So this room, I just can't stress how critical and vital this room is to the young people like myself, because, as I say, it allows us to really have our own space to work. And the fact of the matter is that we wouldn't get this anywhere else at all apart from here. Hopefully, I've given you an idea of the importance of your Centre Point room sponsorship and how positively it affects young people within the different Centrepoint hostels. Finally, I'd just like to say a massive thank you from the bottom of my heart and on behalf of everyone at Centrepoint for all the effort and support you've given the young people.